How is it going, everybody? We are back up. It's Thursday, so we are back up. Kept to the word of that. It's a wee bit later than we'd hoped, but we're up and hopefully going to get the turbo and ades safe tonight and just button up the water system and that down this side, and then hopefully fire it. We came up earlier on, we put the battery on charge, so it's been charging for a few hours. So hopefully it doesn't use too much of a fight. Hopefully it just starts once this is built up, and so just get straight into it and get stuck in. So as you can see, that's a wee bit of progress there made. Obviously turbo, and it just makes it look so much more complete. Alistair's making a lot of noise, if you can hear. I'll need to see what we're going to do with this, because as far as I know, ades want to do with this AirTech turbo cooler. So I'll just need to double check with Alistair, but I'm assuming this is just going to get removed from in there. But as I say, I need to just double check. Then I'll continue to build the rest of it up, but it's certainly weird how putting that on, which is just a couple of bolts, makes it look like an engine again. I do apologise. I do know that I have said in the last couple of videos that I'm going to show me or film me doing more, but I have skipped ahead. I'm so sorry. I basically skipped ahead again because I've nobody to hold the camera. I've ordered a wee mini tripod for the camera so I can film more. But to be fair, a lot of the stuff was down and under the turbo that had to be buttoned up. It wasn't really much, but just had to be buttoned up, so I don't think you'd have seen it anyway. But I'll just quickly show you everything's together, and I'm 99, not much that I am there. I'm ready just to crank over and make oil pressure. I like to just crank it over and make oil pressure first, and then we'll put plugs in it, hopefully fire it up. The only issue is we've no plugs, but we're no short of cars. I can still set up plugs out of an escort up the stair, and we'll put them in this. But I'm going to jump up, see Alistair, and I'll quickly show some of the touring car that's up there, because a lot of people have asked recently about the Nissan, so I'll quickly show some of that and some of the suspension and that on it. That's something I've been getting asked about a lot, so I figure I may as well just show it. So I'm here with Alistair, who's a touring car guy. I'm going to quickly he's going to quickly just explain a wee bit about the Nissan, and hopefully a wee bit about the Focus. As I say, I've been asked quite a lot recently about the Nissan. I know we can't really get into it, but
you know, better wait until we get
being asked
out the road and then get into it, because that'll be clear. And then
so we kind of get into the Nissan. The Nissan's blocked in over there. I'm not cutting it out because Alistair was a moaner. But the Nissan is kind of blocked in. You have got the other one, but the other one's not a Super Tourer, is it?
it's a touring car.
It's too old.
The definition of Super Tourer. The definition of Super Tourer is reverse head, and the engine set behind the front wheels.
Right. So the other one's too old.
So if you have got this is a touring car which retains original manufacturer's head rotation and exhaust coming out the front. Now the reason the reverse head was for the duction to come in and the exhaust.
What year is this?
This is a 94.
94.
And in turn allowed them to move that back into the bulkhead, in effect making it mid-engine.
What year is this one?
That's a 95.
95.
That's a Super Tourer.
And you can see how different that is.
Reverse head.
And so far back and down.
Everything on that car is bespoke. Everything.
That was one of the things I was asked.
The only thing that really is Nissan, or factory Nissan, is
the roof.
probably the roof. And the doors, but they're all cut away. Everything else is bespoke. Bit of the dash.
And then
this retains basically a standard shell.
which is crazy for just 1 year of difference.
It's because they changed the rules and that.
And then when you go completely new is the Focus, which you're in the middle of stripping down.
I still mean, well, That's not a super tourer either, that is touring car.
Aye.
Or a British touring, or a Toka touring car, or an S2000 as they call it.
Mm-hmm.
Still retains the same manufacturer's head rotation, blah blah blah. It's not got a dry sump or anything like that. Still uses like road car uprights and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Aye, you can
Still
see
your Revo knuckle.
it's still got the Revo knuckle, and I think it's actually a standard hub, isn't it?
More or less, aye. There's a lot of standard stuff.
It's just basically those jointed
to make
arms
it
and
more
stuff.
affordable for teams to run.
Mm-hmm. So these are quite basic in comparison.
So that's basically your 3 areas. You've got your touring car, super tourer, and then they went on to. There's actually a non-turbo version of that before this, and then they went turbo.
What is that? Is that an S2000?
That's an S2000. But it's a turbo S2000. You can get normal aspirated. Just after the super tourers, and before that one. So say 2001 to 2004, 2005.
That was the other thing, when even with these run like not an off the shelf, but they all run the same box and that, didn't they? Or a lot of them do.
Aye. Well, that's what I'm saying. They're all built to take manufacturers' suspension and stuff like that. Aye, X-Track. Aye, some of them just run all the X-Track or Hewlin. I think some of them run Hewlin. It depends who the sponsor was.
Aye. But whereas the Nissan's completely one-off.
Touring cars of today are all Vauxhall engines, every one of them.
The new ones are?
Near enough. I think Ford, Subaru and Honda is the only 3 manufacturers that take have their own engine. Everyone else is a Vauxhall engine. You know, your Merc, Vauxhall engine. Your Lexus, your Infiniti, Vauxhall engine.
But even with this is still just a Ford engine in it? Just a Mountune engine? Is that just a Duratec? Aye.
Duratec, Mountune, 375 horsepower.
So, that is a wee bit about the touring cars. We can try and do a good video about the Nissan ones that's actually out and you can see underneath it. You can see the full car. Basically, we'll try and do a good wee video of it, and I'll just let Alistair explain because I don't know much about them.
I don't know much about them.
But gotta go down, we'll try and get some oil pressure on the SAF and then get that going, hopefully. Usual palaver of the battery's too flat, so we're currently letting it jump for a minute and then hopefully this time turn it over and get oil pressure. Right, so I've just stuck a set of plugs in it out of Alistair's Escort, which is becoming less of a vehicle by the day. Do I talk about your Escort? Alistair's Escort has been robbed by somebody.
It's just turned into a sports car, isn't it?
No, well, we're going to put it back together.
Next week you are putting it all back together.
When we gone racing, I've had to get spares for somewhere. So, aye, but I've just put the plugs out of that into this now, and battery's still charging, so I've got to go ahead and try and fire it up. The last time we were cranking it, we need oil pressure. I know I didn't say that, but we did. What was this then? So we're to admit defeat there, we're trying to jump it and we've just stole the battery from this car to start this. Hopefully it starts. If it doesn't start now, I think we're going to need to admit defeat for the night. Right.
Okay.
Go.
Going now. Okay.
Right.
No more here. Fuel pump.
Did you do the stupid immobiliser thing?
What did you do this going?
Press that unlock. Unlock.
What was that?
Lock. Just at filling the lifters. I've just killed that.
That's actually right.
So, quite happy with it. You're obviously quite happy it runs. It's obviously sat here for
It's not 2 years now.
2 years. Wee bit happy, but obviously we've drained all the lifters, so they'll all just fill up and sometimes take a wee while, but obviously now it's had a wee run, we'll drop the oil out, fresh oil in it, filter on it, and water and antifreeze intake on it, and we'll run it probably be next week before we come back up here. We'll get it ran right up to temp and
That's a drive next week, I think.
we'll take it a wee drive. We've just obviously still got like strut braces and heat shields and buttoning up to do, but apart from that, all sounds good, runs. Happy with it. Can't believe it's finally running again. Just wish it was mine. But aye, I'm happy with it.
I just wish it was mine.
Yours is further away than mine.
I know.
But aye, as I say, couldn't have been happier there. Didn't think it was going to start with that battery either. I thought we were on to plums there. But aye, well, the minute's gone. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching it.